Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you not just one, but two super useful ways to add quotes around cell values in Google Sheets. This is a common task, especially if you ever need to export your data for coding or just want things to look a little cleaner and more organized. By the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly wrap any text, like lists of names, items, or anything else, in quotation marks without breaking a sweat. Alright, let's get started. For our example today, let's say you have a column listing out the names of different fruits, maybe apple, banana, cherry, and so on. The first thing you'll want to do is select all the cells that contain those fruit names. Just click and drag to highlight the range. Making sure you've selected only the cells you want to change is important. Otherwise, it's pretty easy to accidentally format unrelated parts of your sheet. Next, with those cells still selected, we're going to adjust how the data is displayed using Google Sheets custom number formatting. Now this is the really clever part. Go up to the top menu, click on Format, then hover over Number, and from that expanded menu choose Custom Number Format. A new window will pop up, and here's where the magic happens. In the field provided, type in this quotation mark at symbol quotation mark so it looks like it but with double quotes. Basically, the at symbol or is a placeholder that stands in for whatever is in each cell. By putting the quotes around it, you tell Google Sheets to always display those values with double quotes before and after the text. Hit apply and you'll instantly see your fruit names now display with quotes, for example, apple instead of just apple. One thing to keep in mind, this changes just how it appears, not the underlying data itself. That can be really handy, but if you want the values, including the quotes, to be used in formulas or cop it out, the next method will help. Let's move on to the second way to get the same effect, but this time the quotes become part of the actual cell value. Start by picking an empty cell in your sheet right next to your list or wherever you like. Here you'll type a formula, equals sign char 34, then an ampersand, your data range, usually something like B2 or C2, wherever your fruit name is, and then another ampersand and another char 34. What's happening here is that char 34 stands for a double quote in computer language. So the formula is telling Google Sheets to glue a quote plus your cell's content plus another quote all together. Once you've written your formula for the first item, just press enter. You'll see your fruit name, but now it will actually include the quotes within the value itself. To quickly do the same for all your data, click the small square at the corner of the cell and drag it down. This copies the formula for the rest of your list. Don't worry if you haven't used the char function before, it's just a handy trick for special characters like quotes. That's it, now you have two awesome techniques. One changes the look for display, and one actually updates the cell content. Give these a try the next time you need to wrap text in quotes in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share how you're using this in your own projects. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. See you in the next video.